What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad Honda Reviews video. Today I'm taking a test drive in the all-new 2018 Honda Accord. This is the Sport 2-liter, and I just want to take it on a night drive, show you guys what everything looks like at night, how well the lights work, and all that kind of stuff. Guys, make sure you like this channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I am trying to hit 2,500 subscribers. If you guys could please help me out with that, definitely would mean a lot to me. Also, leave comments, let me know what you guys think about this car, and how you like the outside of it, just everything in general. Here we go. If you guys haven't driven this car, it's a must. This car is awesome. It drives incredibly good. That new 2-liter turbo is fantastic. Now this does have auto high beam as well. And I'll get somewhere in a second and I'll show you that feature. Okay, I'm gonna make a left here so our high beams can turn on. Oh, some cars coming. Alright, now I'll get out and I'll actually show you from the outside what it looks like here. First, this is just regular lights, and then this is with highs. You can see how much brighter they get. Let this car go by us here. Okay. What the car looks like at night. There's LED headlights and LED fog lights. Extremely bright. And then the LED tail lights as well. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude this video. Make sure you give this video a like. Leave me a suggestion on what I can do to improve this video and improve my channel. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.